Hello. This half term, I'm going to be doing a sequence of videos about using mnemonics to help children to learn how to spell the tricky words accurately. I've discovered that if I look at my assessment sheets, the tricky words that I've given children a really good little trick or tip for in terms of spelling are the ones that more children know how to accurately spell. So it's well worth coming up with some really good mnemonics for the children to use. So in the next series of videos that I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks, I'm going to be looking at different types of mnemonics that can work well for teaching children how to spell these words. I guess the classic mnemonic that lots and lots of us know and maybe have used in the past is the one for because. And it often goes somewhere along the lines of big elephants can always understand small elephants. But my slight issue with that one is, where is the word because in that whole little trick, mnemonic tip? So by the time the children have learnt a number of different rhymes or tricks, how do they know that elephants has actually got anything to do with spelling the word because? I do like the idea of using the first letter of the word to actually be the word you're trying to spell. So, for example, one of the ones that's worked really well for me is a little trick for learning how to spell the tricky word people. And if you're going to do this kind of trick, you need to start with the word you're trying to write. So in this instance, we're going to be starting with the word people. So this is the one that's worked well for me, and it goes, people eat oranges, penguins lay eggs. So you're using a word which starts with each of the letters in the word you're trying to spell, so that when the children are struggling to write the word people, they're going people. Oh yes, people eat oranges, penguins lay eggs. So that is one type of mnemonic which can work really well. But as I say, they're particularly effective when you actually start with the word you're trying to spell. So in the next few weeks, I will be looking at different types of mnemonics that can be useful and giving you some practical examples with tricky words that are on our list of ones we need to teach to the children.